Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. First we use black color and now we draw the number of 1. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is 2. Now we draw 3. The next one is 4. And now we draw 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 7. We again use black color and now we draw 8. The next one is 9. The number of 9. Now we draw the number of 10. The next one is 11. Now we draw 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw the number of 14. The next one is 15. We again use black color and now we draw 16. Now we draw 17. Kids, now we draw 18. Subscribe to our channel. 19. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.